5 cool gadgets you need this summer. With summer here, it's high time you kick back and relax, and boy do you deserve it, because 2020 has been a roller coaster of a year. Yes, it's that time of year again when school's out for the kids, and all we want to do is enjoy this much-needed vacation. During summer, the world is very much our playground, and what better way to have fun than to get ourselves some of the niftiest gadgets for our entertainment and comfort. Hello and welcome back to Top Tech. On this channel, we investigate the hidden technological processes that make modern life possible. Today, we'll take a look at 5 mind-blowing gadgets that might just make this the best summer ever. But before we get started, don't forget to spread some pleasant summer vibes by leaving a like on this video and subscribing to the channel too. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and allows us to make more content like this for your viewing pleasure. Number 5. Parrot Bebop 2 Drone. So, you're a little cash-strapped for summer, right? Don't have enough money to go droning with your buddies? Don't sweat it. You don't have to be that guy or that girl in the group who keeps on asking for a turn on your friend's drone. The Parrot Bebop 2 is one of the cheapest and most durable drones you can buy for just under $300. Yep, you heard right. And it's one of the coolest drones to have if money is tight, especially with the current economic atmosphere. But are the drone's features really worth it at this price? Or is there a catch-22? Well, you'll be pleased to know that this is a pretty serious drone. It's got a decent flight time of about 25 minutes, not to mention a 2,000-meter range, equipped with a decent 14-megapixel camera for you to explore the world. Not a bad bargain for the price, right? So, what do you get with the camera? Because we all know that it's the most important feature of a drone. Well, this cam features an impressive wide field of view that allows you to tilt and pan in the desired direction. Plus, the electronic image stabilization is to die for. The images will stabilize even if you roll the drone upside down. The pictures are quite a marvel compared to other drones in the same price range. But perhaps the one major disadvantage of the camera is that you're grounded to 720 resolution as the maximum HD capability. That aside, you'll be glad to know that the Bebop 2 is actually a dual GPS drone, making it quite stable and providing intelligent flight modes such as follow me and return to home to make manning the drone much easier. Honestly speaking, there isn't a better drone than the Bebop 2 at this price range. So, if you want to make your summer that much sweeter at a reasonable budget, we urge you to go for it. But make sure you're not up to anything mischievous. There are serious legislations against infringing on people's privacy with your drone. So you might just end up behind bars if you play around. Number 4. Watermelon Windmill Cutter. Is the kitchen boring? Well, that depends on what kind of gadgets you're using to make your regular meals. Okay, you don't have to be a master chef or anything, but there's more to the kitchen than meets the eye. You see, there can be some pretty interesting finds out there to toy around with, and the Watermelon Windmill Cutter is certainly one of them. Yes, this cool device makes it easy to slice a watermelon into juicy, munchable cubes in seconds. It's 4 times faster than a good old kitchen knife. And the best thing about this gizmo? It's available for you for just under $20. What a way to enjoy your fruits this summer. So, how exactly do you put this gadget to good use? Simply apply some pressure with your hand, and this stainless steel kitchen tool can splice and cut through large melons like a knife cuts through butter. Heck, we think it's even better. You'll get a sweet supply of 1-inch square melons, which you can add to your snacks, your salads, and even complement it with a healthy dose of whipped cream to give you a delicious treat after every meal. Yes, this unique slicer efficiently prepares the fruits that you'd like to munch on with no hassle. And you don't have to worry about sharp knives slipping or maintaining a grip on the cumbersome melon. Plus, you get this cutter which will save you a bunch instead of heading over to the aisle to get those overpriced pre-cut grocery store fruits that have excess packaging making them rather stale. Just buy some fresh fruits and then slice and dice them fast. You can use it to slice tasty treats like dragon fruit, honeydew, and cantaloupe as well. Number 3. portable neck fan. With the hot summer sun blazing, it's important that you get an ideal neck fan to keep you cool. Indeed, these portable neck fans are a lifesaver, which makes them a great option for you to use when traveling, camping, or even chilling indoors on a hot summer day. Apart from the amazing fans that will chill the air around your neck, these fans can be adjusted to different speeds, from medium to low and finally high. You can navigate between the different fan speeds according to your preference. The neck fans are also equipped with powerful batteries to improve their runtime. To get the most ideal neck fan for optimum comfort, there are a number of options to consider before landing on your ideal choice, ranging from the charging system, the cost, the design, the speed, the battery being used, and lastly, the color option. We recommend that you choose a neck fan that uses cutting-edge technology. Preferably a fan that's equipped with a 2000 mAh battery to keep it running for 3 to 6 hours, not to mention an ergonomic wearable band structure that won't apply any strenuous pressure on your neck. When all is said and done, this powerful and durable neck fan will for sure keep you cool and comfy this summer. The only downside to a neck fan is that it kind of makes you look geeky, like some animated character from Back to the Future. But hey, if you're confident enough in your own skin to rock this neck fan like a boss, then more power to you. Number 2. Electric Insect Swatter. While summer might be the season where dreams come true, it's also the season where bugs bring gloom. Icky, sticky, blood-sucking creepy crawlers. So, how do you keep your summer days bug-free? Well, if you've been searching for a quality fly swatter that can get rid of the insect menace in your home, then the electric insect swatter is one sure way to go. Most electric fly swatters in the market are designed to kill insects with just one blow, regardless of how fast that scuttling menace of a creature is. Indeed, the inclusion of an electro mesh makes sure of this. Indeed, bugs can make your life unbearable, so get rid of them with a handheld bug zapper fitted with a solid electric mesh that will clear off any airborne bugs at the speed of light. The great thing about a bug zapper, unlike aerosols, is that it does not expose you to the dangerous chemicals that might cause more harm to you than the insects you're actually trying to get rid of. Plus, it's a great way to entertain yourself as all you have to swing to kill. We urge you to put a little cardio into it, as it can be a great way to stay in shape this summer. Did we also mention that this nifty device is portable, meaning that you can carry it to the beach wherever you go? That's pretty neat.
That's pretty neat!
Oculus Rift VR headset. There have been massive improvements to the Oculus Rift virtual reality headset since it was first released in 2012. Yes, VR technology is making a series of positive steps in the right direction. The new Oculus Rift S is no exception. One thing you'll notice right off the bat is that it's easier to set up than its predecessor, the original Oculus. The company also omitted the initial lighthouse sensors that used to be there, so you can just plug it in, get the software downloading, and finally watch a mandatory training video before getting down to business. So prepare to get your mind blown this summer. But first, we urge you to create ample space in your home to enjoy the pleasures of VR. We highly recommend a space spanning about 6.5 by 6.5 feet so that you can walk around freely and to also avoid bumping into anything. When using the Oculus headset, it's advised to tuck your hands into the controller tethers to get a better feel and grip of the device. The use of pass-through cameras equipped on the headset are also a massive improvement that will enable you to judge how far obstacles are in the real world. This makes it easier for you to change up boundaries. Say, for example, you keep accidentally hitting your hand on something hard and unknowingly hurting yourself. The Oculus S also has some mind-blowing graphics. And one other thing you'll be pleased with is that the screen door effect has been neutralized in this release of the device. All in all, this is a great device to keep you busy during this summer, which, to be honest, you'll be spending most of your time indoors. With that being said, which device do you think will make your summer that much cooler? And do you think they'll make for great entertainment? Let us know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more engaging content. Once again, thanks for watching.